Look at all this goodness. Whew, it's gonna go down so good. Just like the next 2 minutes. I'm gonna turn off my stove. My stove is very low. So guys, welcome back to another video. It's been a long while since I do any video. Today I'll be doing shrimp Alfredo, guys. My kitchen is still under renovation, but today I feel the urge that I want to do a vlog. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make shrimp Alfredo. Y'all remember my first vlog was when I posted 8-second Alfredo, shrimp Alfredo. Yes guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how I make it. So sit back, relax, and enjoy my video. So yes guys, as you can see, I have here, I have my elbow macaroni, I have my parsley, I have my crushed red pepper, I have my cayenne pepper, I have my easy peel shrimp, and I have my Alfredo. So I'm gonna peel the shell off these shrimp. I didn't get the ones with the shell off, so I'm gonna go by peeling off the shell off these. See guys, I have my container here. Pour out these shrimp. These are between 26 to 30 shrimp, and as you can see the size, they're not really small, they're good size shrimp, you know. So I'm gonna go by cleaning them up. They're already deveined, so I'm gonna take off these little shell thing off of it, you know. And then I'm gonna come back to you guys. See, I have my boiling water here, and I'm about to pour in my elbow macaroni. Elbows. Yeah, I'm a Jamaican, so you might hear the little Jamaican accent come out. Yeah. Guys, don't forget to tip some salt into your water. You understand? Because you don't want the macaroni to have no taste, isn't it? You know, the salt is what really catch the flavor. As you can see here, I start to season my shrimp. This is cayenne pepper, only the mixed seasoning, and I'm gonna add some garlic. This guy. A little parsley. Not so much, just a little. I like the flavor. Okay, you might be wondering why I put cayenne pepper into my Alfredo. I like my Alfredo spicy. I love spicy food, so I just put cayenne pepper into my Alfredo. Also, I use some crushed pepper. I love spicy food, so I'm making my Alfredo spicy. So if you don't want your Alfredo to be spicy, just minus the cayenne pepper and the crushed red pepper. Okay, I'm gonna go by mixing together. Quick and easy. I'm actually smelling the flavor already, and it didn't start to cook as yet. So my pot over here, I'm gonna pour some oil in it. Oil is in the pot, and I'm about to pour in my shrimp. I said shrimp. Let it simmer. You see, they start to curve in already. Get into it, guys. Get into it. Guys, please don't forget to like my video, comment, subscribe, and share my video. Tell a friend about life with curry gooders. I have over here my elbows. They're almost finished cooking. As soon as they're finished, I'm gonna add my elbows to my guys. My macaroni is cooked, and I'm about to pour them on to my shrimp. These shrimp are jumbo, so them kind of look lost. And guess what, guys? I just add sausage to my Alfredo. I love sausage in my Alfredo. Guys, I just pour in my sausage. I like forgetting my ingredients together before I add my Alfredo sauce. So I'm gonna go by. Ooh, this is a creamy one. Yes, guys. I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. This is the finishing product. I add a little cheese. If you don't want any cheese, it's up to you. But this is how I like my Alfredo. If y'all want to make it just like me, but just remember, this is very spicy. Very spicy. This is easy. Very quick and easy meal. Doesn't take long, and kids would love this. Get into it. This is Curry Kitchen. Ooh, I'm gonna eat good this morning. It's about 12 o'clock. Well, I'm gonna say afternoon. Bye, guys.